Hello everyone, welcome to Johnny's NetSec YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install a list into Replit account which you can get for free. Previously, I had two videos to show you how to install a list using Docker container or install into local or cloud or using Windows to install it. I record all steps into my blog post. A list is a fileless program which can aggregate all your NetDisk drive into one place to show you the files and make the downloading or managing much simpler and easier. You can find the demo site. Also, you can find the code from GitHub. Replit also I had a video regarding how to using Replit to create your free web application running 24/7 by 365 days. So I'm gonna integrate all of those information into this video and show you how to get your own Alist website up and running into Replit for 24/7 and 365 days with your own domain, and all those are free. Now let's start it. Regarding how to log into Replit, how to register account, how to create your own free web application and run it 24/7 by 365 days, I had a previous video to demonstrate that, and also a blog post has recorded all steps, including how to use your own domain to access your Replit application. So for this lab, I'm just gonna log in using my Google account. So I logged in. I don't have any repos here yet. So for this demonstrate purpose, I'm gonna start in quickly to create a new repo using bash as a template. I will name it as list. So the repo is ready for you to start into programming it. So we have to take a look at the installation guide, how to use it, how to install it. So there's a manual installation instruction here. There's a couple of commands. You just need to get the package from the GitHub, and then you can unzip it, untie it, change the mode to executive mode, and run it. Let's see how that's gonna work. We go to GitHub page. A list repository. We also go to the release, latest release 3.11.0. Then we scroll down, we're gonna get this file. Let's try, that's a Linux AMD 64-bit tar file. Let's copy link address and then we will wget it. Let's see how that's gonna work. So right away, it will give you a message. You cannot run this repo right now. They want you to contact support. I tried a couple of times, probably about a couple of weeks ago, it was still fine. But now they don't allow you to directly download this list file for you to use. So that means we're gonna delete this list profile since it will not be able to use anymore. You can delete it without problem. Go to this three dot. Delete repo. We're gonna create a new one. We're gonna do different things. We know they are not gonna let us to download that file, and they will not let you to run at least this program using that file name. What we can do, we can download this file, we put it in somewhere else, we change the name, and then we start to download it. So here is the same. If you put at least a server to run here, it won't work because it will get the same error message. But what we can do is we can rename it. Let's put list. We're gonna change a list applications file name to A, and we are not gonna run a list server using this file name. And also when we do wget, it's better you download it, rename it, and put in somewhere. For me, I already put into my online Google Drive folder. So in that way, I can download it without problem. I will not get that unavailable message. We need to get wget as well. Perfect. We download it. Then we can untie it. You can take a look. So we have at least this program available for us. We're gonna change the name to A. It will be still executable. Now we are able to run it. Perfect. One thing we still needed is the password for login. Use admin, the password we just got, login. Perfect. We are in, so we get our list running in Replit without problem. Then next step is gonna be simple, easy, which I already did in my previous video. Just use your free domain eu.org. If you don't know how to get eu.org free domain, look at this video. You will find how simple, how easy you will get this free domain. And then we will use Cloudflare to manage our DNS and link this REPL with your own domain. So we're gonna do it in my next step.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment.
After a couple minutes waiting, we can go back to check the status. you will see the check status icon is gone. So right now we already have good standing on this link. So we're gonna try our own domain right now using list.51sec.org. Perfect. So we can log in with admin username. Login. Perfect. So now we are able to log in using our admin user and access our website using our domain. Also, we already set up our UptimeRobot to visit it every 90 minutes. So this will keep our Replit application wake up and not go into sleep mode. So that is all for today's video. I hope you like it. Please let me know if you have any questions. Give me a thumb up if you think this video has some useful information. Subscribe my channel to support me. See you in my next video.